it's so good. That's my highlight of the day here, definitely. For all the risottos served in Italia. Good morning here from this camping ground, Monte Rosa Natural Sense. Yeah, it's the name here. So the bike is packed. The plan for today is 307 kilometers until I reach the Assietta Ridge Road, Colle Basset. I will not ride this road today because it's already 6.5 hours ride plus break. And it's closed until 5 p.m. anyway, so I will do that tomorrow. But I will reach there today. They have camping ground nearby, I checked already. And I hope they have space for me. Yeah, I will go first. That's a very nice town here on the way. What's the name? Something with B, I think. I thought I put it in a video now. I think I can recommend it to come here or stop over here. This is cute. I think that's worth to come here and stroll around. Yeah. I have spoken to Phil. No, he started to talk to me today. And I asked him what he would do in my position, since I have 3 weeks left. I don't really know what I mean. I know what to do, but I want to make the most out of this. And it's because I have seen so many things. I won't say that landscape and all this is getting to be boring, but it's so similar that and it's a bit of refreshing views. So, and Phil somehow always comes up with a good idea or solution or hint, which is very appreciated. And he said, go to England, because I've been in this Mediterranean area almost all the time, except for, Romania, Bulgaria. There are like significant differences in these specific areas, right? But it's still somehow kind of the same. But England is a different thing, and that's why today I'm going to Assietta Ridge Road, and then I will go straight up to, I think it's Calais, where the ferry and tunnel starts. I don't know which one. I think from the pricing here it's very similar. I spoke to one British guy. He said, yeah, it does not really make a difference. The difference is the timing, how long it takes to cross the canal. So that's the development of my thoughts and Phil's advice. Thanks, Phil, again. Very good input on this or about that matter. Yeah. Okay, that's all. This mountain pass is by accident just on the way to Assietta, and I like this one so much more. There are almost no cars. Okay, I haven't seen any car here now. The road is okay. It's not as wide. It's not the main road, and the curves are very nice. I prefer this 1,000 times about this Furka and Grimsel and the other pass that I took yesterday. It's I don't know, tourist trap I won't say, because they don't get any money from this unless I would join a restaurant on top. Okay, honestly, there is no view, as you can see. The other two passes have a beautiful view, but that's another thing of what I said earlier, or about what I said earlier. I have seen so many things in such a short time span that I haven't really fully digested that. And so this is not this wow view or this mind-blowing view. So yeah, for me it's a just okay pass. What about these guys here? They have so many of that. It's a speed control thing. Yeah, it is. That evil thing. Yeah, 3 of them within, what is it, 1 kilometer? Unbelievable. Italia, unbelievable. You know what? This is on my right side. On my left side, I recognized it. The last time I saw that, it was not in Bali, and not in Vietnam, and not in Thailand. It was in Greece. So I believe, I'm pretty sure of that Italy also grows rice. I just don't know what kind of rice. So in Greece it was Carolina rice. And this one here also stands entirely in water, and I'm also now standing in water. Here. That is it's not done yet, still needs time, but that's rice. So now we learned that Italians are growing their main ingredients for the risotto themselves. Wow, I didn't. I expect everything. I mean, rice in Greece already okay. It's warm all the time. Should work, but North Italy, it's Turin. It's just below the Alps. They're growing rice here. Wow. So here on the corner, it's even more. They're growing like a lot of this. What's really fascinating is that their independence from Asian rice-growing countries for all the risottos served in Italia. But there are many fields here. Impressive, yep. I'm here in Turin, and this roundabout looks a bit funny, but there's something. At first I thought, hey, how does that make sense? I don't know why to build this road around this thing. There is clearly a shortcut possible. But well, why not? But we are surrounded by mountains again, which means it cannot be that far anymore. And I know exactly that it's around 40 kilometers apart. It's the road that I cannot take today, but tomorrow. So this is not the camping ground. I need to find a camping ground later when I'm in the mood and when I know that I don't want to continue today. So it's I think it could be slightly less if I remember correctly where these camping grounds are. However, I need water and food. I found a supermarket. There. It's a supermarket of my choice today. There are a couple of camping grounds. 5 or 6 nearby within half an hour driving. The thing is, they are all, like all of them, on top of the mountains or nearly on top of the mountains, which is probably a beautiful view. But the night temperature drops to 7 or 8 degrees, which is unfortunately for me a bit too cold. My smartphone is still working on hotel room. Okay, I got a hotel room. This one is half an hour driving from here. I still need food from the supermarket because there's nothing around this hotel. And the good thing is this is just, I think, half an hour or so from the Assietta road away. Shopping done. Hotel 20 minutes away. Isn't this already looking fantastic here? Ah, it is. Just in case you can't decide, then yes, it is. I decide for you. I got good news. The hotel is on our right side, and that is halfway up the Colle Sestriere or so. So that means we are having a mountain pass. So now we're turning right, and that's going up the pass road. Colle de Fenestrelle or so. Oopla. I was not prepared for that. Okay, that's... Oh, the fall. Hey, nice. This is again one of these pass roads that I like. Because, yeah, not so wide road and so far no. Oh, this GPS is saying Mittelkurve rechts, Mittelkurve links, It's announcing every turn here. And there are a lot of turns, so it doesn't stop talking into my ear. Yes, that's the kind of mountain pass that I like. And this one even has a view. And so far no motorcyclists came from front. After the first 400 meters also. That's a good sign. Good hotel selection, I believe. Yeah, look at this. It's nice. It's dusty. No. Foggy. But it looks good. Maybe it looks even better because it's foggy. A bit mysterious. That's the hotel. Doesn't look as new as on the photo. But okay. Or is it this one? Nee, das hier, ne? I wieder used the photo of the other hotel. It was... Hey, that should be a hotel here? Nah. Oh, it's just the parking here. It's the motorbike parking here. Not so bad the room. We got bathroom, got bedroom. Only need one of them, unfortunately. Paula, huh? One of them is yours. You're not here. And a mysterious view outside. Let me quickly fix that. It is. That is pretty cool. Oh, what? Approved. So I decided, look at that, that looks amazing actually. Yeah, so I decided to take a look at the Assietta road. Oh, it's already gravel here. Okay, I didn't expect that. Yeah, there are plenty of hikers here. Yeah, I don't know how far I'll go. Okay, that looks fantastic already here. There was also no sign. If that's already started, then there was no sign that it started. So I don't know where it's actually starting. Honestly, these 300 kilometers I did today, that was really tiring. Why is it so foggy here? Looks mysterious, but I want to see more. Thanks. Gracias. Grazie. Oops. Okay, now formaggio left. Okay, we don't need formaggio. I need that road here. Would be good to know if that's already a Assietta road or not. I just go as long as I think it's nice. Looks so good. Is it actually recording? Yeah. This gravel road just ended and there was like 3 or 4 bike guys standing there with their road bikes and asking if they can go or not and how long is this gravel. I said, yeah, I just go, it's fun. Oh, that's so good. That's my highlight of the day here, definitely. The grass is not so green anymore. It's like, you know, orangish. Yeah. Looks a bit autumn-like. Very nice. So I think now, here is it starting. At, yeah. Ha. So it's open. Okay. So, but I would say let's end the episode here. Episode 72 is waiting with the Assietta Ridge Road here. You can enjoy the last few seconds of this view and then subscribe so you won't miss episode 72. Thanks for watching and give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you like and then see you. Bye. Whee!